Miora. This is Tencent's new Agentic creative studio, and its entire pitch is simple. One brief in, a full set of on-brand visuals out, images, video, UI UX, and 3D, all on a single canvas. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it costs, walk you through a real brief from start to finish, and give you my honest, final verdict on whether this thing can actually replace parts of your design workflow. Let's get into it. So what exactly is Miora? At its core, this is an AI creative agent that doesn't just generate one image and forget you. It remembers your brand colors, tone, and style rules across sessions through what Tencent calls its memory system. Instead of the old manual way, hopping between a separate image generator, a video tool, a UI mockup tool, and a 3D app, exporting and re-importing between each one, Miora hands your brief to a crew of built-in specialists who all work on the same canvas, so nothing gets lost in translation. This is mainly built for solopreneurs, small agency owners, content creators, and product designers who need a full asset pack, social graphics, an app mockup, a product video, without hiring out 4 different freelancers. It is not built for people who need pixel-perfect, print-ready output straight out of the box, or anyone relying on flawless on-package text. More on why in a minute. Here's the actual pricing, confirmed live from inside the app. Miora runs on 3 tiers. Free is $0 per month. You get 1,000 sign-up credits that expire in 90 days, basic models only, and a max export resolution of 2K, with no credit packs available if you run out. Standard is $20 per month, 2,000 monthly credits, a 50% credit consumption discount during your first subscription, access to advanced models, no daily credit cap, 4K export, and credit packs available. Pro is $80 per month, 8,000 monthly credits, priority access to advanced models, no daily cap, 4,000 export, and credit packs. All right, let's actually use it. I'm logging in with Google. Takes about 5 seconds, no email verification hoops to jump through. First impressions. On the left, you've got 4 zones: creation, inspiration, skills, and memory. Front and center is a chat-style brief box, preloaded with a placeholder prompt, and above it are 5 category tabs: branding, video, commerce, gaming, and web slabs. Clean, not 15 tabs crammed into one screen. Right under the brief box are quick access specialists and ready-made template prompts if you're not sure where to start. Step 1, the first thing to click. Just the brief box in the center. Type or paste your brief, and the agent takes it from there. I'm using a sample brief for a fictional brand, Solace Coffee Co., asking for 3 things in one go: a Square Instagram promo for a new blend, a mobile app home screen mockup, and a short looping product video. Before generating anything, Miora writes its full plan in plain English, then says, "Please confirm each parameter card above to kick off generation." All 3 will stay visually consistent across the palette and brand feel. That's a specific promise. Let's hold it to that. Card 1, the Instagram promo. Confirm. Card 2, the app UI mockup. Confirm. Card 3, the product video, 916 1080p, 5 seconds. Confirm. It confirms it's launching all 3 simultaneously, and you watch it summon each specialist buddy by name in the log. Transparent, not a black box. The video actually finishes first, fully playable, while the Instagram graphic is still rendering. A reminder that simultaneous doesn't mean identical speed. And here's something I want to flag right away. The coffee bag in the video shows garbled label text. Protasium shall batch, not real branding. Hold that thought. Here's the finished set. The Instagram graphic. Morning Focus, new seasonal blend. Solace Coffee Co. A warm flat lay with a correctly labeled Solace Morning Focus bag. Coffee beans and a eucalyptus sprig on cream. The UI mockup. A home screen with a Morning Focus hero. A Your Ritual quick order grid. A blend scroll. And bottom nav. Same terracotta cream forest green palette. Playfair display and DM Sans typography. Step 3, testing memory. This is the feature that's supposed to set Miora apart, so let's push it. I'm telling it to remember the brand colors and aesthetic, then generate a second Instagram graphic for a fall harvest blend, without re-explaining the style. 1 parameter card, same format as before. Confirm. And there it is. Same terracotta cream forest green palette, same serif logo type, same editorial flat lay structure, now with amber leaves, cinnamon sticks, and pine cones layered in for autumn. Genuinely consistent brand execution without me repeating the brand guide. One thing worth showing you. If you go back to the homepage and refresh, the real number updates further. Mine settled at 455, 03 out of the credit I started, which is 523. So between the live in-canvas counter and the homepage, there's a bit of lag. Refresh before you trust the number. And circling back to that label glitch, the Fall Harvest graphics text is clean and correct. Solace Fall Harvest Blend. So the pattern holds. Miora is genuinely reliable on palette and layout consistency, but text rendering on product mockups, especially in video, is the one spot where it still slips. On speed, from confirming parameter cards to having all three assets fully rendered took roughly 2 minutes, with the video landing first, a little counterintuitive. The memory-based follow-up graphic took even less time since it was a single asset. The one real bug, Miora explicitly promises visual consistency across a brief, and for color, mood, and layout, it delivers. But product label text specifically broke that promise in my test, a garbled, nonsense label on the video output while the two image outputs read correctly. If your brief depends on legible on-package copy, double-check every asset before you ship it. For a total newcomer with zero design background, I'd put Miora in the beginner-friendly to intermediate range. A first-time user could realistically get a usable result in under 5 minutes. The brief box and confirmation cards do the heavy lifting, and you always know exactly what you're approving before it spends your credits. Pros: genuinely unified canvas. Image, UI/UX, and video outputs generate and live together. Zero export-import friction. Transparent multi-agent process. You see the plan, approve parameter cards, and watch each specialist work in the log. Memory actually works. Got it. Brand palette and aesthetic are locked in. And the follow-up graphic proved it, matching palette and layout with zero re-explaining. Fast turnaround. Roughly a minute for a 3-asset brief. Transparent real pricing. Free, $20 standard, $80 pro, with clear credit allowances published in-app. Cons. Text label rendering breaks the visually consistent promise. A garbled coffee bag label appeared in the video output while the image outputs read correctly. Free tier caps you at 2K export and locks out credit top-ups entirely if you run dry. In-canvas credit counter can lag. Refreshing the homepage showed a lower, more accurate number than the canvas display. Final verdict on Miora. For solopreneurs and small teams who need a fast first draft across multiple creative formats without juggling 4 separate tools, this genuinely delivers, especially on brand consistency through memory. But the free tier burns through fast, and the text rendering slip on product labels means you can't fully trust it unsupervised for anything with real on-package copy. I'm giving Miora 3, 9 out of 5 stars. Worth trying, strong in most areas, with 2 specific caveats worth knowing before you commit a client brief to it. Thanks for watching this Miora review. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And don't forget to check out this video here, which YouTube thinks may be a good fit for you.